We are Manca, Orel and Kristina Berglez, students at the University of Ljubljana, Slovenia. Our research project was interdisciplinary and focused on environmental chemistry and medicine. We are glad that we had the opportunity to work in an interdisciplinary team that supervised us. Mr. Marko Jeran from the Faculty of Health Sciences in the Faculty of Electrical Engineering at the University of Ljubljana and Dr. Kroflič from the National Institute of Chemistry, Slovenia. Particulate matter, or PM, is a mixture of solid particles and liquid droplets that can be found floating in the Earth's atmosphere.
The most common ones are PM2.5 and PM10. PM particles have an important impact on human health, chemical processes in the atmosphere, and climate change. In our research, we concentrated on how the prolonged exposure to PM particles influences cell membranes when particles enter the bloodstream. During our research, we used both inverted light microscope for observing cells in an aqueous medium and scanning electron microscope to study morphology of solid samples. We also used the PM sampler that measures mass concentration of PM particles in the outer air by collecting a particular fraction of particles on a special filter, which is later weighed and translated into air mass concentration. We also used the scanning mobility particle sizer, which measures the size of nanoparticles in the atmosphere. In the end, we used flow cytometry to analyze individual cells. Our research work was first focused on the concentration of PM particles in ambient air in different seasons. Results showed that the concentration of PM2.5 in the air increased during the colder period of the year. We further studied the impact of PM10 on human blood erythrocytes, and the results showed that the prolonged exposure to increasing concentration of PM10 particle causes a decrease in erythrocytes population and changes in membrane shapes from echinocyte to stomatocyte. The results of this research can be used on a basis for more extensive research on the systemic impact of inhaled PM particles on the human body.